Here's a simple outdoor Christmas decoration meant to look like a Christmas tree. It's easy to build and takes about an hour. This year, I can't put any decorations on the lawn, so everything has to be hung on the house. We'll start with a stick of wood. This is a 1x2, which is actually 3/4 by an inch and a half, 72 inches long. Viewmetric folks, look for something that's about 44 by 18 millimeters, 1.8 meters long. Make a mark every 4 inches or 100 millimeters. Drive a screw partway into the wood at each mark. Try not to screw the board to the workbench. This will be what it looks like. I painted the wood black to hide it better. Or painted as far as I could until I ran out of paint. The top of the tree requires a hook set up high. My hook is a piece of steel rod meant to fit around a gutter hanger. Drive a stake for the bottom board and screw the board to the stake. Drive another stake for the other end. Get the bottom board level and attach with a screw. Add a third stake to the middle. I found some more paint. Now to finish up the painting. Time to string the lights. This spool is some lights left over from last year. Tie the lights to one end of the board. Run the lights up to the hook and then back down to the board. Move over one screw and run the lights back up to the hook. This would be a lot easier with 2 people, but it's just me today. Keep doing this until the tree is full. Finally, I am finished. Here's what the bottom board looks like. I put a wrap of electrical tape to help hold the wire. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Good luck with your decorating, and we'll see you next time.